In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload files to BambooHR. Now to do this, you want to go to the My Info tab, top left over here. And then from the My Info tab, you want to go to the top right over here where you'll see the More button. So you want to click on More. And then from here, you'll see there's the Documents tab. So you want to click on it, and it's going to open up your Documents tab. And to actually upload files, you want to go to your Documents tab and click on Upload over here. And then you basically have to drop files here to upload, or you can just choose files by clicking over here, which is going to open up your file explorer. You have to find a file, so I'm just going to click on something random over here, just like a random PDF, for example this one. Click on open, and that's going to upload it over here, and you can then select which folder you want to save this to. So I'm going to do this one, for example, and click on save, and then click on save the amount of files over here, and that's all you have to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.